In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file a USPS missing or damaged item claim for eBay or personal mail. An important process that can save you a lot of headaches if your delivered package is not in the condition you expected or hasn't arrived at all. Let's dive right into this step-by-step guide to help you efficiently navigate USPS claims. First, it's crucial to confirm whether your package is eligible for a claim. Remember that you can only file a claim if the package was insured. This means double checking the type of service you used when you sent your package. USPS Priority Mail, for example, includes automatic insurance coverage up to $100. In contrast, first class mail is not insured unless you've added insurance separately. Likewise, media mail doesn't include insurance by default, so you would have had to add it manually. Understanding these differences is key before you start the claims process to ensure you don't waste your time filing for something ineligible. Once eligibility is confirmed, the next step is gathering all required information. Collect the necessary documents to prove the value of your item and any applicable insurance coverage. This often includes the original eBay receipt if you purchased the item there, a copy of the shipping label, and any insurance documentation. Having all these documents ready before you proceed with the claim will streamline the process and minimize delays. Next, you'll need to start the claim online. Head over to usps.com/help/claims.htm. Once there, scroll down until you find the Start an Online Claim button. Click on it and you'll then be prompted to log into your USPS account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create an account, which is a straightforward process but necessary to move forward with your claim. With your account ready, you'll proceed to fill out the claim form. This step is crucial as accuracy is imperative. Complete the form with all the necessary details, making sure each field is filled out properly. Missing or incorrect information could cause your claim to be delayed or even denied, so take your time and double check everything before submitting. Finally, it's time to submit the claim. You will need to mail the completed claim form along with your proof of value and any relevant insurance documents to the address specified on the form. This might feel a bit old school, but it's an important step to ensure your application is reviewed correctly. In summary, the process involves confirming your eligibility based on your package's insurance status, gathering important documentation, and navigating through the USPS website to accurately complete and mail a claim form. Following these steps carefully will maximize your chances of a successful claim, helping you retrieve the value of your missing or damaged item. Good luck, and I hope this guide has been helpful in securing your USPS claim successfully.